It's Chicago's first time meeting little Russell.
Or us, because we don't videotape very well.
Me either. So that's why I'm behind here. That's your baby. That's your baby brother. Can you say hi?
Mama. Say hi.
That's your baby brother. Hi. Can you blow him a kiss? Blow him a kiss.
Blow him a kiss.
Baby brothers can be and grown bigger than big brothers.
Don't pick your nose. We're in the neck.
He's saying shh because the baby's asleep.
Oh, shh.
Is the baby sleeping? That's his shush.
Mama.
You know your baby brother, don't you?
Russell. Russell.
Your big brother's here, Russell. Your big brother's here to see you.
Are you taking a shower? My arm pushed up against the mouth. So you got fluid. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. He's almost at normal levels.
Is he?
Mama.
Get a little kiss to your brother.
That's right.